is a Ergo strong box with 36-piece set of sockets, bits and a ratchet. The box is made of hard plastic with rubberized corners for better shock absorption. Inside you'll find an ergonic ratchet with 1/4 inch square, with 72 teeth mechanism. It assures smooth and quiet operation. An ergonic stubby with 1/4 inch hexagon socket. Both have the patented ergonic handle with cushion effect that adapts to your hand. Also, you get 13 sockets in following sizes. The total of 15 slotted hexagonal Phillips, Posidrift and Torx bits. 1/4 inch universal joint. 2 1/4 inch adapters, 5 and 10 centimeters. 58mm long bit holder. And 2 adapters. The printing under the top cover helps to keep the tools nicely organized. Check DME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over 600,000 items and get everything you want. You need it? We have it.